wezihlahla
Sure, people need to go to the bathroom.
namalahle iziyalu namasimu yekuhle balenzimu wakhulela esifundweni enkonzweni nasesikoleni umfundisi ngeofisi nephezulu nezitrata zegolide nezithelo ezingangekha lendoda abayibiza uzudelile kongowakhe umhlabane gama lakhe umhlabane gama lakhe udelile kongowakhe umhlabane gama lakhe umhlabane gama lakhe. Usabelo waphenduka uMasabs Tasabs Sub-Zero my hero khohlwe nokuthandaza ngolimi lakubo bizo uNkulunkulu babantu oDaniel Emmanuel Tafarai umntakababa ukhohliwe ovesta kaSelina kwaSontoskole amahubo washiyeni igceke lona linjani ubani otshala izihlahla uma imbewu isha lotshani ingazazi okanye imbali noma unukanukane ngoba yena udelile kongowakhe umhlabane gama lakhe umhlabane gama lakhe. Just like everybody else here in the country, washinda oyaku wezego ezozamuphi each and every moment in this here city kukhala nje uvumbu we go vumbuka kule elivimba imvelo ngosimende yebaba every minute khala uvumbu vumbu 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 Shigo vumbuka elivimba imvelo ngosimende. As if Joburg has got 3 B's. Entendeni yenala imana amanga intuthwane thwaluju ngelanga ukhonzekayo khipha makha umngenandli nokhuthaza amakhamba thuku nokhukulwa manyukunyuku olthuthula mthuthu ebusuku hatha lizwa entendeni yenala on the palm of plenty imana amanga. Mana is a fallacy. Intuthwane thwaluju ngelanga ukhonzekayo khipha makhaza. Go to the end, you lazy one. Umngenandlini okhuthaza amakhamba thuku nokhukulwa manyukunyuku olthuthula mthuthu ebusuku. We come from everywhere, north, east, south, and west, and all we are looking for is a better world. La edingiswe madolobheni for ithumbu nobuthongo uthola kule ngiyikiniki raw. Ngamaklepa sekliniki will milk a wild boar. Bleed the rest of its promise with the widest mouth, blistered cheeks and tongues. Abanye puchu the buds, abanye swallow the pus, and from the poison they pass. Abanye bafa after the aftertaste, good aftertaste. After the aftertears, good aftertaste. Abanye will need the wash down. Will they stand the mud, or will they jump the Jordan to selected all with malls and selfie walls? After all, siye sabashia bazali emakaya sasuga sangena wamanyamazwe lapho kungazi khona ubaba nomama sazofuna impilo engcono. I hope you find it or you get it. You get here in the city. It depends which side of the city you land on. But there are sounds that are constant. Amajita are constantly sending you something. Umuntu wamazinyo, umuntu wamaphela, umuntu wamabundwana. Bese kuba khona abo direction giver bathi hill properia yofela. Braamfontein Mandela Bridges yawela. Ubheke phi wena lo mzala? Uyaphendula ke lo mzala sekashile phela lekhaya kubo. Uthi mina ngisuka le ngibhekele ngiyosithela ngale na. Ngisuka le when the cold and the cold calls home, homes in the woods where June, July rules. Where the pine and the gum breaks bread with the worm spread between the big ellie. Where the meat belly inherits scanty crumbs and chronic ulcers. Ngibhekele when noma yini esimanyolo to send seeds for medical roots home. When umsebenzi sweetens the pills for old ladies and the babies, for the grannies with no savings and the daddies who came before and forgot the reason, ngiyosithela ngale for far bigger fears than retiring broke, with the bad breath from a septic heart that broke, from being told where to go, how to go, when to go. So please just let me be. Let me be. Let me be. Ngoba safika bethi Jozi mali sibalisamo ngasali la kunuki ngasese esidlangalaleni nasemakhoneni phela izinyembodeni kwanyama kayipheli kuphilwa ngephepha kwanyama kayipheli kufuneka lephepha kwanyama kayipheli kusele imikhwa kuseJozi eGoli eJohannesburg kuseGoli eJozi lana kuseGoli eJozi eJohannesburg kuseGoli eJozi lana khona to khona khona ikhono lakhona kuthi baphuza ngento ekhona, khona abadla ngentanjana, khona abadla ngokholo, khona abangawuthinta umqala goqo kwamashongololo, khona nabaphuza umhlolo hayibo golindini nemihlola mabhilide mijondolo wakho umnotho usengaleni. Kusegole Jose Johannesburg, kusegole Jose Lanana, kusegole. Okay, these are new poems. It remains the same for a long time. Kwandonga ziyaduma amashita yashukumu makhelwane usendlini. Ubuye ekhaya uyongcwaba wayegcine ngomngcwabo uphenduka umhlala goli amagugu amakhaphu waphenduka amagoduka amadodakazi akweminyezi. And I blame it on this dog named Freedom. How long now? How long does it take for chains to break, for patterns to part, for freedom to bite? Does it take a lifetime, 25 years and above, the dust turning to rust, thicker than the crust on blue-collar palms? Does it take cries to the omniscient eye with the mention in the sky who watches the sun die to make a point about darkness? Does it take the great year after Dragon City kernels and Oriental kernels, bows, collars, inner city corners? I saw the greatest breed of my time break the chain and bite the neighbor's child. And I asked myself, how long will it take for this dog named Freedom to do exactly the same? Hey, these are new poems. Ufuna lophisi wakhe. Igula lamaqiniso. Yeah, but I can't sing the thing with the pace that you have before. Mina ngazi ngiyokholwa ubani avela ngiphathiswe mina ngazi ngiyokholwa ubani avela kuphi mina ngifundethe igama lami kulala maqini elesithathu amane sibayenise komazi kazi sekwezithethi nomike manithi sepezwako kazinobotho isibule ekhaya umtholi wenhliziyo nephango nephimbele nemiyalo kulandela isifiso siyomdala ngalo mama ongizalayo isabelo sabantwanyana ikusasabela wathola intombi wathutha umbungu inqobile mina washo uthulisi kwakusho uthulisi mina hayangazi ngiyokholwa ubani ngavela kuphi mina ngifundethe igama lami ngingusabelo kasoko indodana kathulisi le ndaba engenandaba udaba ukhefusi zindaba ngisondela umbhobho babheme bakholwe bakhohliwe baphunjuzwe umkhondo oninikise emakhaya nihambe kahle nezwe.
Thank you very much. It's been a fantastic evening. When I say word up, when I went to sessions, word up, word up, word up, word up, word up.
Bona bathi hi, I wasn't meant to perform. I am really just jubilating for the sake of filling in the space for what Germany doing cup. Mfundisi, uthini umoya? Uthulile mfundisi. Quick announcements.